To redeem and enter promo codes on Roblox, start by logging into your account. You can access the redemption page by visiting roblox.com/redeem, or by clicking on your Robux balance in the upper right corner of the Roblox homepage, which will prompt a drop-down menu with the option to redeem Roblox codes. Once on the redemption page, obtain a valid Roblox promo code by searching for active codes on a search engine like Google, where you can find lists of codes, often organized by month, with indications of which ones are currently working. Copy the desired code and paste it into the code box on the redemption page. Then click the Redeem button. If the code is still active, you should receive a "Code successfully redeemed" message. After redeeming a code, you can view the resulting item in your inventory under the relevant category, such as bundles. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQs or seek assistance.